Here's the deer after the big storm. I shoveled that spot there. And that's the mom and the two young ones. So this is the second time they're feeding. I missed them this morning. So, and the big buck's not there. He chased them away yesterday. Big bully. I get after him. See, these are two yearlings and the mother. So, there's nothing to eat right now because we got 40 centimeters of snow last night here. So, now what's poking them? Oh, they're taking off in the woods again. Come on, you fellas. Come on. There's nobody gonna bother you. Oh well, so much for that. That was a short video. I can't get over the snow we had last night. And the power went out too. There's my footprints there. So I shoveled that right down to the grass. There's still apples there. Come on up here and get your apples. Oh, they're going to eat some of the grasses that are showing through. Well, I guess that's, oh no, somebody coming back. Somebody next door shut a car door or something and poof, they're gone. They're awful skittish. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it.